All right, go high level or high level. Should you use it? Should you create a white label? Which software should you use? There's a lot of them out there, and I've been using Clickfunnels for the longest time. I've also used Wix, WordPress. I've tried high level in the past, and at that point, like a year ago, it wasn't up to where I wanted it to be yet, and so I passed on using it then. And with Clickfunnels 2.0, the announcement and then being delayed, I started getting a little bit frustrated with having to wait and seeing my community hurting and my funnel agency clients hurting, and they wanted another solution, and people started moving over to high level. So I was like, let me create a new account. Let me log in and see kind of what it looks like right now. Let me build a funnel and test it. And man, I saw a lot of huge improvements. And so that's what we're going to talk about today. We're also going to talk about the white label option that they have, where you can create an account and you can put your own logo, branding, you can onboard clients. And we talk a lot about selling funnels as a system to them. So you sell funnel, copy, design, integrations, automation, the email sequence, and you charge $5,000 for that. You have 4 clients every month at $5,000, that's $20,000 per month. So that's a really good business. It's what I've been doing for years now. A lot of people in my community, my course and coaching as well. But with a software like this, you can now create a white label, add your own logo, and you can sell, let's say, a funnel at $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. Or you can just say, hey, I'm not going to charge you up front. Just use our software, and it's built on high level, and they have this great tech and operating system and everything. And you can just build a funnel, move it over to their sub account, still be able to manage and help them, and they don't have to worry about the tech. And what I really love the most about high level is that it's already done. It's already, yes, they're working, they're innovating, they just added AI, they're innovating and doing all these things, but it's reliable and it's working. You don't have to tell clients like, oh, this is coming soon. They say, what about this? And everything is already there that you need. So anyways, let's dive in to the first picture I want to share, which is the comparison. I'm sure a lot of you have these questions, like I'm using all these tools, I'm paying for all the Calendly and ActiveCampaign and Kajabi, and personally for me, I'm paying about $1,000 per month for different softwares right now. You know, Clickfunnels being $297 a month, ActiveCampaign being like $200, $300 a month with my email list, Kajabi being $200 a month, Calendly being maybe $20, Figma $20, like all these different things, right? So now that we're switching, I can cancel Clickfunnels, I can cancel. And by the way, I love everything Clickfunnels have done for me. It's not that I don't like the people there, it's the software that isn't really ready. And so for us, it just makes sense to move everything to high level. And now we can do even the white label one for a specific industry. We can preload the funnel templates, the email sequence, and we'll say, hey, it's high level, but our software with our training tutorials and templates, and it's just our own touch to it. So if you're following me, maybe you want to use that. If you're following someone else and they have a white label, maybe you want to use theirs, right? Depending on the pricing. But you can see here, the website builder, the funnels, the emails, those are the biggest ones. Then we have the appointments, we have the pipelines, we have the CRM, like we have the SMS, email, everything in one place, the forms, everything. So even the courses, which is great. I was surprised when I logged in and checked out the courses. So let's take a look at all of these things. Let's go one by one and we'll take a look at them. So this is a white label that we're working on right now. It's called funnels.so. I bought this domain a while ago, didn't know what to do with it. And I saw Notion is using their domain notion.so. I was like, I own funnels.so. And so now we partner with high level. I said, well, it would be a great time to do this. What do you think, Pedro? And Pedro is my partner in my coaching program. And so we said, let's do it. Because here's the thing. I don't think the software is going to make us a lot of money, because we're not going to charge more than if you use high level, even though we could, because we add all these funnel templates. And so instead of you having to buy our funnel templates, you just get them for free when you use our version of high level. Same thing with our trainings that we add, our email sequences, my frameworks, like all these things, my AI prompting ebooks and the AI sales funnel module, like everything is like, it's here included for you, but that's not live yet as of me filming this. So maybe you want to sign up for the waitlist to at least check it out, see if it's for you. If not, that's totally cool. I'm still going to drop fire videos like these here on YouTube. So anyways, the first thing we have is a launchpad. We have a dashboard of everything from the pipeline, conversion rates and revenue, and seeing that in one place. Then we have conversations, so from social media and that sort of thing, to appointments and meetings. We have leads and the contacts over here. Then we have the CRM with opportunities and pipelines, and you can see how much monetary value you have in your pipeline from the leads that are coming in. We have invoices. So if you're selling funnel building services, freelancing services, web design services, agency services, whatever it is, coaching, consulting, you can add that in here and you can send out invoices through Stripe, for an example. So we'll have a ton more tutorials coming about these things. So make sure you're subscribed with the bell notifications. You don't miss any of that. Social planner. So this has AI built into it as well, where you can create social media content. You can even create the graphics for the social media. I believe they have templates for that as well. If you take a look at templates for messaging, emails, campaigns, affiliate manager. What I like most is obviously the funnel builder, because I'm a funnel builder. That's what I spend most of my time. But I do like that we have automation, we have workflows, content AI. So that's for AI, social planner, blog, funnel, email, website, that sort of thing. Now, the funnel builder is in a interesting place because I, for one, I'm very critical. So when I look at a lot of funnel builder softwares out there, I'm like, man, I can tell that this is someone who's built their marketer, right? They might be an affiliate marketer who wanted to create a funnel building software. And so they created this software based on the code and how that should work, not user friendliness, usability from a funnel builder's perspective. So there's like all these different things that I go in and I check. Can you do this? Can you drag and drop? Can you simply change the size on desktop, mobile, and then also change the letter spacing and the line break, like all these different things. And so I saw some people say, hey, we should definitely update the funnel builder, the website builder in HighLevel, which they are, by the way. But I was like, let me take a look at it and see what I can build. So I just jumped in here and I created this in Figma. I exported the image, I uploaded it to the editor. I got the logo from Logo Ipsum, just a replacement or replacer logo. And then I just played around a little bit and I can see some places where I'm like, I'm curious how this works because I'm used to it being another way. But then, first of all, if you look at everything, it's pretty fast. And second of all, if you just learn how and where these things are. So for example, if I add a full width and I add a row, let's do 2 columns. It's a little bit different from some where I now have a column inside of the row that I can customize from here. So the setting is there. And now I can go down here and I can look through these to see, okay, this is where the shadows, for example, I wouldn't use the drop shadows from here because they're not soft. They're a little bit too sharp, as you can see. So even the 10% is very sharp and it doesn't have the blur effect, the smooth transitions to the background. So what did we do? Well, I'm a part of the dev team now and they invited me to listen to my feedback. So I said, here's what we want. And they said, sure, let's fix it. And so these are things that I really love that are like simple fixes, but I was able to build this. I mean, it's pretty clean and it's a good foundation. So any business you have, just know that the foundation is there. And then anything that's like being added, it's not like, oh, I can't build my business on this before they have that. It's no, we have this. And by the way, I'll be creating so many templates and everything to give away to you. And so if you want to use this, just use our templates and it'll have all of these structures in place with different colors and everything so you can quickly customize. I think that's my advantage from building over 500 funnels is I know what works and I know how to make it simple and clean so that when you take a template, you can simply customize it. And let's say if I give you Figma templates as well, you customize the colors as well to your colors. Now you have the background, the headline, the button colors, everything in here. So I really like how clean and simple everything is in here. And like I said, anything that we'll be adding and updating in the editor, those are just gonna make it faster for you, right? It's not like you gotta wait for that to be able to do something. Those things are gonna speed things up for you. So instead of maybe spending 2 hours building a homepage like this, you could spend maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour, which is, I don't know if that sounds like a lot for a funnel, but man, when you started from the bottom like me, I used to spend 2-3 days just on one page to design it, everything, write copy and everything. So now we have AI to write copy, all these templates and the funnel builder to build the funnels. We have HighLevel as the foundation with all these different tools to build the business. One thing that I still want to show you that is also different, I think it's good for you to know, is if we take a look at the pop-up here, I'm going to add a column element. So I'll do a headline. By the way, this font is a custom font that I would have to add to every other page builder. But now in HighLevel, if I go to the font, headline font, I can go to, let's do custom font. I can go here from Google Fonts and I can find plus Jakarta, which is very rare. So I love that we have all these different fonts we can just use inside of the editor, because it just takes the design to a whole nother level. So now, let's say I want to do a form, like an opt-in form. In Clickfunnels and other pages, you would have to add your input forms manually. So like, I want this one to be the name, the email, like all these things. And then if I open a new page and create it again, I click, here's the input form, name and email. But here, at first I was like, wait, I have to create a form? Why can't I just add that manually? But now it makes sense, because if I go to opt-in page template, I have a form here, right? There it is. Because I only created it once. I said I want full name and email. So I created it once, and now because I have my brand colors in there, it's already like it's updated to be that. And now I can just hit save. And so when people click get your free game plan or download this free thing, this pops up and the form is already built. Which means when you set up the automation to connect and sync with the form, you have the page, the form, and the automation all syncing together, because it's all in one platform. So hopefully that makes sense. And again, we'll have to do 100 new tutorials. In fact, I'm very excited to be able to create all these things as a content creator as well, a YouTuber as well. It's hard to come up with all these like amazing content ideas, but now I'm just like very passionate. I don't have to wait for anything. It's already here. Let me create a ton of videos and share with you how you can use HighLevel or our software funnels.so if you want to get all of our templates and stuff. So if we go to membership products, we'll take a look at a simple course platforms. So if we open this, for an example, we're going to move it over here. So you'll see FFD move from Kajabi to HighLevel or to funnels.so. But if you look at how simple it is to create, it's very easy to understand it. Modules, lessons, details, customized offers. So when they buy through an order form, this is the offer they get access to this. You can like, it's just easy to understand. What I like is easy, like simple, simplified. So I can just simple funnel and simple course platform and just have everything in one place. Because when it's easy, you can focus on the customer, you can work on your business, not on the tech. So anyways, this again isn't customized, so it's not gonna look like this, but it just, hey, start the course. Here's the lessons, the modules, and then very simple here. You're not overwhelmed with all of the other modules. It's just one at a time. Forms. Let's see if we can get this to load with my shitty network here in the home office. By the way, we built a garage, but instead of my car, my Audi R8, we put my office here because I love working. So anyways, forms, I then click this to see what it looks like. I can customize it. I can also add the SMS in here if I want to. I can create a new form, obviously, and so many other things. Chat widgets for customer support, all those types of things. So phone, I can just drag it in there. I want it there, or I want it down here, and boom, I would save it. So that is a quick tutorial rundown, start to finish. What I would say, just to give you some key golden nuggets for starting a white label. If you do, make sure you have a specific niche. So my niche is what? Is funnel builders, right? I am a funnel builder. I've built 500 funnels. I now help funnel builders. Me and Pedro, we have a coaching inner circle where we coach funnel builders how to get more clients, get to 10,000 per month. Even my course, Full-Time Funnel Designer, is about funnel building, funnel agency. It's a course without us as one-on-one coaches. It's more like group coaching, Q&A calls with a course and templates and everything, like over 100 videos, everything I've learned in one course, helping you how to do that. And so the white label that we create is not trying to change HighLevel or compete with HighLevel or anything. It's HighLevel, but all of our stuff. Hey, you want my DM closing scripts? Great, here they are. You want my funnel templates? Just download the snapshot, which is a workspace. So you have the website, meaning the homepage, the portfolio that you need as a funnel builder. Then you have the DM closing script, because I'll add them to this as a, as a thank you for using our software. And then we have the funnel templates for all the industries. So now as a funnel builder, when you work with them, you have the funnels to choose from as a foundation. You don't have to sit and go through different share funnel links and everything. It's just a snapshot and you import everything at once. So please understand me. we're very excited to launch funnels.so, but not for most reasons that other people might do it, which is, hey, I'm a marketer, let me create a software to get rich and retire in Bahamas. So I'm still doing the same thing. I'm just moving over to HighLevel. And now I'm like, hey, for us, it makes sense because we have an industry. So if you want to do a white label, pick one. Like, let's say you want to work with real estate agents and then make a CRM for maybe realestatecrm.com, right? And create specifically for them so you can create your own value ladder. You can create your own ecosystem of funnel templates for real estate agents. And then you can have a course, you can have one-on-one consulting and an agency where you help real estate agents. So very excited for this journey. I feel like we're just getting started, but we have the foundation and everything is ready for us to just build on. It's like this operating system that we can now add all of these things to. So in the next video, I'll probably film an AI tutorial showing you how the AI tool works here inside of HighLevel, because it's pretty cool what we're doing with that as well inside of funnels.so. And if you're watching this at the time of me recording this, make sure you sign up for the waitlist. If you're watching this later, we're probably already live. So go to funnels.so to check it out, get a free trial, try it out for 2 weeks, see if you like it. Man, the future is exciting and I'm grateful for you to be here. So with that said, I'll see you in the next one.